Please remain in your seat with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before disembarking, please ensure you have all your belongings, checking seat pockets, the overhead lockers and also the area around your seat. Do take care when opening the overhead lockers, items may have moved in flight. Please take care when disembarking by the aircraft steps, they may be steeper and narrower than you're used to. The handrail should be used, hand baggage held securely, passengers with small children should hold their hands. Mobile phones and other devices must remain in flight safe mode until we've opened the aircraft doors. In accordance with UK law, smoking is not permitted within any public building. Please do continue to observe no smoking signs until you exit the airport premises. On behalf of the captain and the crew, I'd like to thank you for choosing to travel with us today. It's been a pleasure having you on board. I do hope you have a safe and pleasant onward journey away from the airport this afternoon.